In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Foxit PDF Reader as your default app for PDFs. Let's start by locating a PDF on your computer. This could be in your Downloads folder, on your desktop, or anywhere you've saved it. Open File Explorer in Windows and navigate to the file you want to use. This process works the same no matter which PDF you pick. We're just using it as a starting point to tell Windows to use Foxit from now on. Next, right-click the PDF. In the menu that appears, hover over Open With, then choose Foxit PDF Reader. If you don't immediately see Foxit in the list, look for an option like Choose another app or More apps, then select Foxit PDF Reader from there. The goal here is simply to open the file in Foxit, so we can change the default setting from within the app. If you don't have Foxit installed yet, install it first, and then come back to this step. Once the PDF opens in Foxit, look to the upper left of the Foxit window. Click Help. In that Help menu, select Set to Default PDF Reader. This tells Windows that you want Foxit to handle PDFs automatically. Depending on your version of Windows, you might see a prompt asking you to confirm this change, or Windows may open the default app settings page. If you see a prompt, choose Foxit PDF Reader and confirm. If the settings window appears, locate the entry for .pdf and select Foxit PDF Reader as the default. When you approve the change, Windows will remember this choice for future files. That's it, your work is done. From now on, when you double-click any PDF, it should open in Foxit automatically. If you want to confirm it worked, close Foxit, go back to File Explorer, and double-click another PDF. It should launch straight into Foxit without any extra clicks. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Menus can look slightly different depending on your Foxit version, but the Help area will still offer the Set to Default PDF Reader option. If Windows shows a Choose a Default box, make sure you select Foxit PDF Reader specifically, not a web browser. And if you ever want to switch to a different app later, you can reverse this by opening Windows Settings, going to Apps, then Default Apps, and selecting a different program for .pdf files. With that, you've set Foxit as your default PDF reader in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy faster, more consistent PDF opening across your files.